copy duplicate page on Weebly website. If you've ever built a layout you love and wished you could reuse it, this is the fastest, cleanest way to do it. By the end, you'll have a cloned page with the same structure, ready to edit without starting from scratch. First, open your site editor. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the site you want to work on so you're inside the visual editor where you can drag and drop elements. Give the editor a moment to load all your pages and sections. Next, go to the Pages tab. You'll find it along the top or left of the editor, depending on your version. The Pages panel is where your site's navigation and page hierarchy live, and it's exactly where duplication happens. Now, select the page you want to copy. Click the page name in the list to highlight it. Think about why you're duplicating it. Maybe it has a header, footer, and a content block arrangement you want to reuse for a services page or a landing page. Choosing the closest match saves you time later. With the page selected, click Duplicate Page. Look for the duplicate or copy option in the page controls. Weebly will instantly create a full copy of the page, including its sections and design settings. The duplicate will usually appear directly under the original with a default copy label so you can tell them apart. Rename if needed. Clear naming helps you and your teammates avoid confusion, especially on larger sites. Use a name that reflects the page's purpose, like Services Copy or New Landing Template. Remember, this only changes the page's label in your editor and navigation. You can adjust the URL slug and SEO settings later when you're ready, but the key here is simply giving it a recognizable title. Finally, click Publish. Until you publish, the duplicate exists only within the editor. Publishing pushes the new page to your live site so visitors can access it if it's visible in navigation. If you're still drafting, that's okay. Publish now, continue refining the content on the copy, and then publish again whenever your updates are ready. That's it. You opened the editor, went to the Pages tab, selected the page, duplicated it, renamed it, and published your changes. Use this process whenever you need a consistent layout fast, and then customize the content safely on the copy without touching the original.